Awati MBARU ba KITHOMO kia IGURU ibonanitie kuria kwanirwa kwao kumane na mathomo JAMWE jaraya kunenkanirwa gĩcukuru cia IGURU mwanya ya university na itiotethia muntu kuona ngui arikia mathomo yawe aranindi BAUGITE mathomo yaya batere kwithira yakiguna muritwa ya buratutariri mwandiki utwa ndeto Anthony Wakathenya.
I was telling the VC that probably they also need to think about introducing executive courses to the owners of businesses, because it's not until we reach out to the owners, the founders of businesses, and train them and show them the importance of introducing automation in their operations that they'll be able to create jobs for the young people. Therefore, the issue is we have a lot of young people who have graduated, but when they go out there, they still cannot get the jobs. But I think the gap is in the fact that the owners or the founders of industry, most of them are still analog, and they don't know what computer science and computer information technology can do to their operations. Therefore, I think this is something they are going to take up. And I also think there is a gap in the courses that are being taught in most of the universities. I encourage them to ensure that they are fit for industry, and they are also fit for even government operations. Because when you go to the industry, these courses need to be fit to fit the departments that are there in the industry. For example, when you go to the industry, you'll find that there are departments of accounts, marketing, operations, production. So if you can have computer courses which are oriented or fit to this, tailor-made to these departments, that means that there will be ready job market for the people.
This partnership started a while back, and we've done a couple of things. Number one, what has culminated in today, so curriculum review. This institution will now start offering a PhD in computer science. Very happy to have been part of the team that reviewed the curriculum, the content that they had put forward. They also have the master's program, computer science and computer information technology. And what is most interesting is the composition of the courses. They've ensured to lend ear to our submission in terms of how do we ensure that the content is, by the time graduates are finishing the course, they are job market ready. How do we reduce, when you consider, oftentimes people graduate, but they stay at home because they are not, either the jobs are there, but the skill set is missing. So how do we reduce that? That's number one. Our second partnership with this institution has been training lecturers, which is part of the broader partnership we have with 16 other universities, both here in Kenya and Uganda, where we've trained 46 lecturers. So very happy that the leadership of this institution has allowed their lecturers to go through the training. And in keeping with the principle of you're only as sharp as what sharpens you. So the sweet spot is the magic that happens, courtesy of this partnership, culminating in curriculum review, lecturers trained, and also lastly, engaging students, such that they are fully aware by the time they complete their degree programs, what's a career path? Where are the job markets? What other additional certificates do they need? So that we want to reduce the 4 to 6 years where we have Kenyans or Africans graduating from universities but have not secured a job. How do we change that? It's courtesy of such partnerships.